This 3-in-1 portable camping fan was sent to me as a gift, and in this video I'm unboxing it, going through the different features, and showing just how bright the built-in lantern is in a dark room. Starting with the unboxing, everything comes packaged neatly, and inside the box you get the camping fan, a USB-C charging cable, and the user manual. As I'm taking it out, I show each item up close so you can get a better look at what's included. Right away, one thing I noticed is how compact it is. Even though it's small enough to pack for camping or keep in an emergency kit, it combines several useful features into one device. After the unboxing, I take a closer look at the fan itself. This isn't just a fan, it also functions as a lantern and a portable phone charger, making it a versatile piece of gear for camping, hiking, power outages, or emergency preparedness. I go through the controls and demonstrate the different fan speed settings so you can see how easy they are to switch between them. I also show the folding design, which makes it easy to position the fan at different angles depending on where you need airflow. According to the manufacturer, it features a rechargeable battery with up to 40 hours of runtime and an IP54 water-resistant rating, making it suitable for outdoor use in a variety of conditions. Next, I demonstrate the built-in lantern. To really show how bright it is, I turn the lights off and move into a completely dark room. I always think that this gives the best results of how the lantern will actually perform because you can clearly see how much light it puts out. As you can see in the video, the light does a great job illuminating the space, making it useful for everything from camping inside a tent to navigating during a power outage. Finally, I show the charging port and point out that you can also use it as a power bank to help recharge your phone or other small USB devices when you're away from an outlet. Overall, I think this is a really practical multi-purpose device.